You might think you need a ton of content to create an effective AI version of you, but actually that's not the case. In this video, I'll show you how to make your AI replica without it, sharing some tips and tricks that will help you set up. Hey, I'm Jodie, founder of Coachvox, and we make AI coaches based on thought leaders like you. With our platform, creators turn their wisdom and style into a text-based AI version of them that generates leads and adds value to their audience, either as a free resource, a value add, or something people pay a subscription to access. You might be thinking, don't I need loads of content to train my AI with? But the answer is actually not necessarily. You don't need your AI to have the knowledge of the world. Your audience isn't going to use it as Google. Instead, it needs to know your unique insights, opinions, and methods relating to your niche. And you already have those right there in your head. You don't need to have written books or produced videos. You need to extract the right information out of your head and into your AI. So how do you do that? Follow this exact method. First up is give your AI your background info and your style and tone, and you do this within Coachvox. Even if you don't have content, you have a bio, and this is how your AI adopts your persona to engage with your clients. Next, explain how you help people. This is going to mean your AI advises and coaches just like you would. So here's where you explain what you help people do and include any methods or beliefs that are unique to you. Finally, describe your personality. This is where you can really make your AI emulate you as a thought leader. Are you friendly, firm, cheeky? Do you always push back? Do you antagonize? Do you always see the positive side? Describe yourself here so your AI has your personality and coaching style. Next, give your AI your signature phrases in the conversation section of Coachvox. Tell it the types of things you say to greet someone, to say bye, to react to positive, negative, or neutral statements, and to set up a statement or question. This helps your AI pass your personal Turing test, so when someone engages with it, they believe it could feasibly be you, even though they will know they are talking to an AI version of you. Suspend their disbelief by having it use those exact words and phrases that you use, and ask your friends or your clients or your audience if you don't know what they are. In the engagement section of Coachvox is where you set up the conversations. You know your audience and you know their challenges, so let them know your AI is trained and ready to help them with those. Add starter prompts which help guide the conversation towards your area of expertise so that your AI can add the most value possible. These initial steps on personality, style, and language will take this generic AI model far along the scale of being way more like you, even though you haven't yet provided any content whatsoever. So now we move on to content. To train your Coachvox AI from here, you need your expertise distilled into question-answer pairs. We use this analogy of a tree to explain how to think about equipping your AI with the right type of content. So the trunk relates to your topic, your niche, your area of expertise. This is where we define your worldview, your strong opinions, your ethos, and your principles. Moving on to the branches. So these represent the 4 to 6 areas of expertise that fit within your broader topic. So if you were building an AI online marketing coach, your trunk is online marketing, and your branches might be SEO, ads, social media, landing pages, email marketing, and affiliates. And even if this marketing professional had 0 content, they could still train an AI version of them based on their principles and methods in each of these areas. The leaves represent all of those specific questions, statements, and topics your AI could possibly cover related to your field. So what people try to do is they pack their training data full of leaves, uploading everything they've ever created. But really, you don't need to do that. Focus on the trunk and the branches, and here is how. So let's start with the trunk. Ask your AI the following question. What are 20 questions a client would ask type of coach? Edit the square brackets so that the client describes someone in your target audience and type of coach describes you and your expertise. So 20 questions a startup entrepreneur would ask a marketing expert. 20 questions an aspiring author would ask a book writing coach, and so on. Ask your AI and get those questions. And if you haven't joined Coachvox yet, ask your favorite LLM like ChatGPT. After that, repeat this exercise for your branches. So either list those out yourself or ask your AI again. What are 20 questions a client would ask type of coach about subtopic? Repeat this for every branch and get those questions listed out. Your answers to those questions matter because they help your AI frame everything related to your topic and subtopics. And you have options on how you answer them, so choose the one that's right for you. Option 1, write the responses. Take each question, write your answer from scratch, and then upload to Coachvox to train your model. Option 2, dictate your answer to each question. So use Siri or a dictation software. Hit play and speak clear and concise responses. Or option 3, use AI to create them. Here's where you head back into your AI or the LLM and you prompt it with, based on the following beliefs and methods, provide 1-paragraph answers to each question. Generate this information as a 2-column table. Include your beliefs and methods by listing them out or by copying and pasting text from somewhere else, for example, your website homepage or about page. The AI is going to turn that ethos into answers that match your views and give your AI a comprehensive understanding of your trunk and branches, which means it can answer any question or guide on any subtopic within your niche based on your expertise. Here's an example. Let's say we're training an AI running coach and we want responses based on the real running coach's strong beliefs that the warm-up is the most important part of any run and race, most people don't get enough protein, and Nike trainers are the best. They would ask for responses based on these opinions and their AI would create them accordingly. It's now going to use these principles as the basis of every conversation on related topics. So that running coach's personality is going to be woven into any coaching session their clients have with their AI. Once you've done this exercise, visit fine-tuning and hold a live conversation with your AI, rating and editing responses to make the model ready for launch. You'll see your AI's client readiness update in the Coachvox dashboard to confirm it's getting closer. Share it with a group of 10 to 20 people and ask them to engage with it. Then look at the conversations they have and train the model further on the questions they ask that you may not have thought of. Once you've done that, it's ready. Here's where you use your AI as a lead magnet to add value to existing members, or you launch it as a paid offer. Here's a quick recap on how to train your AI without content. Get clear on your bio, personality, signature phrases, and conversation starters. Then use AI itself to train an AI version of you on your unique views across the most likely topics within your area of expertise. Test it yourself, test it with an alpha group, and get it ready to launch. To get started, head to coachvox.ai and start your free trial. We have a busy creator community for sharing ideas, and we are on hand to support you with anything you need to make an awesome AI version of you.